Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and what I want to do is give an update for today. Is 3/17, August 12th, 2021, and I just wanted to let everybody know how I'm doing with this opportunity that I'm currently promoting. I work from home, for those that don't know, full-time online, and I teach others how to earn a full-time income from home. If you're looking to earn an additional income or you want to replace your current income, you want to stay for this entire video. Not only that, down below, you can actually hit the subscribe button to follow my journey and to just get a little snippet into my life and what I do on a full-time basis. But not only that, learn how to start earning a full-time income from home, just in case you want to make additional money or you're looking to leave your full-time job. So what I want to start off with is my results for today. And I'm excited because, again, this opportunity has taken off and has done way better than I had imagined, okay? And I've been in this field of business, in this line of business for a long time, and I've never seen an opportunity perform so well. I think it has a lot to do because of the price point, but not only that, there's a lot of people that are currently looking to leave their job because of all of the things that's going on in our world today. People want to stay at home with their kids. They're realizing that they want to have time freedom. And not only that, more people are realizing that there's so many different ways that you can make money from home. You don't need to work a full-time job. So these are my results that came in. I'm going to just click here on this one that came in at 12/16 today for $29.97. But if we go back, all of these payments came in this morning. They started at 5:30 this morning coming in. And yesterday I did a total of $464 using this system. So people want to know, what is this system? How does it work? I want to give you a little bit of information about the system, but these are payments. All of these merchant email receipts are payments that came in from this one particular opportunity. It's called the Cash Alive 39, and it was mainly made for people to use it with Cash App. But if you do not have Cash App, you can use any other third-party payment processor. That can be PayPal, you can use Zelle, you can use Authorize.net, you can use Stripe. You can use Venmo. It's really up to you what payment processor you decide you want to use. I use Authorize.net. I also use a Stripe account, but for this particular opportunity, I am using mainly Authorize.net. And what people can do is actually pay in and get the reseller rights to get a website and actually start promoting this main opportunity. When you sign up, you're going to get a safe list that you can use to promote this opportunity, and also solo ad buyer traffic for my team only. I will also give you my secret traffic source that I'm using that's allowing me to bring in leads and traffic on a daily basis to any opportunity that I'm currently promoting. But right now I am promoting this opportunity basically part-time because it's doing so well. I will continue to promote this for the rest of the year. Okay, so what you're going to have to pay is a one-time fee of $39, and that's going to actually allow you to get the reseller license to resell this product. But not only that, you're going to get a website. You're going to pay $29 one-time payment for the website, and you're going to be able to connect your website to Venmo, Stripe, PayPal, Zelle, Authorize.net, or Cash App. Okay, and this again is for those who are in the US and outside of the US. If you are not a US citizen, it doesn't matter. You can be in Canada, you can be in the UK, you can be in Australia, you can be wherever, Nigeria. It doesn't matter, as long as you're able to get one of these third-party payment processors where your money will go to one of these accounts. And then from this account, you can transfer it into your bank account, okay? There's a lot of people that use PayPal, especially if they're not in the US. You can use PayPal with this. When you sign up, the one-time $39 payment, you're going to get the safe list and the solo ad list. Also, my personal, highly recommended exclusive traffic that I like to work with. Not only that, you're going to get the email ad copies that you can send out if you decide to use a safe list. You're going to get fast start instructions on exactly what to do to get started. Not only that, the information that you need to send over for your website, and you're going to get the reseller rights again to this Cash Live 39 system. That's going to allow you to start basically using it within 24 to 48 hours from the time that you join. And as you can see, it's a really short page. It's a one-page website that just gives you a little bit of payment proof. These are some of my payment proofs that came in through Cash App when I was using Cash App. And as you can see, people came in at $39. These are all $39 payments that came in when people were getting signed up. Okay. And you can get unlimited $39 payments. So it doesn't matter. You get one a day, you get all the way up to 100 a day. All you're going to do is be promoting this one website to the traffic sources that we give you, and it's going to allow you to start generating results. If you're interested in this opportunity and you want to get more information, the link is in the description right below this video. There's a link that you can actually go onto to get started. If you want to connect with me, that information is also below. I can be reached through text message or through Facebook, through my Facebook Messenger account. If you have any questions or you would like to reach out to me with any comments you may have. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Again, I just wanted to share my proof because, again, I'm just excited by the way that this opportunity is converting. You don't have to have any experience. I just want to throw that in there. If you're a newbie, if you're just getting started online, if you've never made money online and this is something that you want to look into, maybe you're interested in this industry, you want to work from home, you have a laptop, you want to use it to make money, this is something you definitely need to look into. It's newbie friendly. You just have to remain consistent. You have to do a little bit of work that will go a long way when you actually get started. So again, thank you so much for viewing this video. Have a great day. Stay inspired and stay blessed.